Magic mirror on the wall.
Oh, for the days when that was all. What dost thou know about my queen? Think she be the only villain I have seen? Think again. Which is why I have summoned you. Oh, for the days when only one villain summoned me. A queen with a question. You know how it goes. Magic mirror on the wall. Your turn. Who's the fairest one of all? Well done. But define fair. Beautiful? Once upon a time it was. But these days, villains are preoccupied with who's been treated the most unfairly of all. Each evil villain here would like to suggest that they're not bad apples. They just get bad press. So they whine and they ask if they're victims of a grudge. I just reflect. I can't judge. To make matters worse, when they find a looking glass and recite that question they continually ask, the evil queen strikes with a terrifying crash and smashes into bits. It's up to you to tell them what you see. Please make a choice so they'll stop asking me.
Magic mirror on the wall, who's most misunderstood of all?
But I can't judge, I just reflect.
So what you see is what you get.
You see, I've been enchanted to answer only to the queen. Still, they're relentless, so I need you to intervene. Help me appease them. They torment me all night and day. You be the judge.
I beg you, make them go. Magic mirror on the wall, who's most misunderstood of all?
But I can't judge, I just reflect.
So what you see is what you get.
See how it worsens? Behold, a cunning collector of unique fashion, for whom puppies stirred a curious passion.
You see, tragically misunderstood,
Ruthless,
dreading,
devious,
creative.
and dressed to kill.
Oh, I like that one.
She made it through.
There's love. Hello, darlings, that's me.
She doesn't scare you, won't evil thing will.
I'm
See her just to take us up.
I'm full of surprises. Yes, yes, it's a curse to be so famously misunderstood. But everyone thinks they know you. Hello, darling. You see? And some of you do understand me. Fabulous sunglasses, darling.
The eyes in her stare, all innocent children. And grab you
I want you. So hard. Is it my fault I have a flair for fashion? Or that the puppies stirred my passion? Great artists are always misunderstood, darlings. It's enough to make one's teeth split. It's pronounced to Yes. How rude.
But true. Excuse me.
What? Well, get this scared with $20. For my big finish. Applaud. Louder, darlings. Yes, scream like you love me. The most misunderstood of all.
What did I tell you? Incorrigible. And yet somehow, she made it through the glass.
I know you're in
Oh no! I have told you, I only answer to the Queen. But do they listen? No. They put on a show. Oh no, oh no, oh no! Another scoundrel, undoubtedly with a load of crock to sell you. Really?
The world's most famous clown! You might finally made it to the boss! Oh, hello. Captain Hook at your service. No applause. Then great Peter Pan gets all the attention. Even Smee likes him better than me. Do you? Hey, you booty too! Well, that's just because I'm so horribly misunderstood. Do you not realize what a benevolent captain like myself can offer you? Freedom, wealth, glory, and above all, never growing up. Oh, fancy that, having fancied you. Let me see. No one! No scene! So try to let the same collect what hook. There isn't one great father like Captain Hook, the world's most famous book! A dance? Yes! Enough. Now look here, a special offer for today. I'll tell you about all those who sign without delay. We'll get a free tattoo! Why, it's like money in the bank. Come on, join up, but I'll be quick. Unless you want the bag. This is up. Yes, it is. Oh! Another dance. Hello. Why me? That's all. Look! You're up the left of the feet! There's the leg. There's bells above to everyone! You'll be critters! By the tongue! What? So come inside the book! Join us in Captain! No! No applause, Larry!
I hate to say I told you so, but I told you so. They are relentless. Villains will do anything to push their way to the front. What now? Oh yes, the fairy godmother no one wants. Maleficent.
Frightened the knave in the mirror away, have I? Why, there's no need to be frightened of me. Isn't that right, my pet? I'm merely here to propose that I am the most misunderstood of all. Haven't you ever been forgotten? Left off the list? Omitted from a grand affair the entire kingdom is attending, except you. It's soul crushing. I've been woefully misinterpreted. You'll love me at once. sleeping beauty, the kiss of true love. I suppose you could say that the ever after of Princess Aurora was my doing. Does anyone ever think of it like that? Tragically misunderstood! Magic mirror on the wall. Misunderstood? Is that your call?
No, that would be then.
Oh, perfect. Then you've seen the light. It's never wrong to think it's right. Believe me at once, the veils and thoughts of
Villains do love a dramatic exit.
It's my turn.
It never ends.
Hold it right there, Mr. Funny Face. Why don't I get VIP access, huh? Hello? She's the only one who's feeling a little heated by being misunderstood, okay?
And yet another wounded foe.
Whoa! You see the severity of my situation, can't you? How I've been misunderstood by the gods!
That is insignificant and awkwardly flamboyant.
Hey, who's homework another minute?
Two at a time?
I demand you let me in, or out. Which is it?
Okay, kindly let him know I was here first.
Then you hovering apparition. I've been dreadfully misunderstood. I should have been Susan!
Oh wow, you need a little cheese to go with that.
Silence!
Okay, I know. Hey, whoever's knocking, come on. I was here first.
I dare any to challenge all that I have to endure.
Dismissed, rejected,
And,
publicly humiliated.
Oh no, more than three? How can it be?
I was the Christmas here! Did you take this photo and
Oh, that it has come to this. I'm surrounded by evil. Who knows what happens with someone?
You misunderstand me most of all. The name mirror is mine, and mine alone!
No! Shut again. Too many must end. But you, yes, you! I beseech thee, answer them! Choose the most misunderstood! But how? Many spoke, but few were seen, though villains in the mirrors gleamed. But these three passed through the glass. Yes! Choose from them! That is your task! This is your moment. You are the judge. Clap, stomp, and scream. Show who you love. And when you do, the smoke will rise as you choose the most villainized. Do you cheer for the spider waiting for the kill?
But I'm an original, my dears, not a criminal.
Cruella de Vil!
1, 2, 3, scream! Loud scream! Sing!
Or shout for the world's most famous crook.
All right, my hearties, I don't care what noise you make. Just be
That
loud!
is cool.
Louder! 3, 2, 1!
Or scream in a deviant upheaval.
My curse produced true love.
Maleficent, the mistress of all evil.
Well done, my glittering assembly.
The smoke in the mirror never lies. You have revealed the most villainized. Magic mirror on the wall, who's most misunderstood of all? Captain!
Oh, victory! Who's the cortex now? Take a hand. Oh, you're all the perfectly true. Which means you must now sing. You ho, clap my hands and cry like the beat. You sing like the cool. Come, big come, the world will say us. Yes, I'm coming, vengeful and tis not just magic mirror on the wall. Who's most misunderstood of all? You made your choice. Nothing forget. And what you see is what you'll get.
They chose. Now off you go.
Did I say I'd leave?
Well,
No!
but aren't you done with all your questioning?
I never promised anything.
Why must I endure riffraff?
The villain always gets the last laugh.
What?
Laugh with reality. Just make a choice. Now don't forget. What is what you
Oh no.
Oh, yes!
You did your bidding rather well, and for it have a tale to tell. Now gather your belongings, take them with you as you go. Move quickly, safely down the road, now out the back you go. But come again another day, it may turn out a different way.